The second sort of the coordinating conjunction is the coordinating conjunction but. The speaker links the clauses with the application of the coordinating conjunction but to reveal that the experience, condition, or action of a subject described by each coordinate clause is in the opposite relationship according to a context. The coordinating conjunction but is able to be applied as a preposition, that is one of the adverbs. The coordinating conjunction but applied after the abbreviation of the repeated part in the two coordinate clauses is applied in a clause that is stated in the Constitution to include a preposition to mediate the subject and the object that is opposite to the subject. In a clause that the coordinating conjunction but is applied as a preposition, the definition of the coordinating conjunction but to reveal that the coordinate clauses are in the opposite relationship remains to reveal the subject of the preposition but and the object of the preposition but are in the opposite relationship. The first sentence with the coordinating conjunction but is this: it was rainy, but it is sunny. The speaker applies the pronoun it to indicate a period. The speaker indicates period with the pronoun it. The speaker links the coordinate clauses with the application of the coordinating conjunction but to reveal that the conditions of the 2 points in the past and at the present are in the relationship of the opposite described by the be verbs was and is in the 2 coordinate clauses. From now on, we will study about the preposition but. The first conference with the preposition but is this: the smiles were nothing but love. The speaker applies the preposition but to mediate the subject nothing and the object love, whose existence specifies the non-existence of the subject nothing is in the opposite relationship with the subject nothing. With the application of the preposition but, we can understand that the subject of the preposition and the object of the preposition are in the opposite relationship. From the definition of the indefinite pronoun nothing to indicate the non-existence the opposite of the object love, then we can understand that the object love indicates the wholesome. Because the preposition specifies the existence of the subject nothing, the non-existence of the subject is the opposite of the object love. The second conference with the preposition but is this: the Hage market sells anything but things that are not to be. The speaker applies the preposition but to mediate the relationship between the subject anything and the non-existence of the object things that are not supposed to be, to specify the existence of the subject. The subject of the preposition anything, a random subject. The existence of the random subject is specified to be in the opposite relationship with the existence of the object, things that are not supposed to be. So the subject indicated by the indefinite pronoun anything is like this, and a part of the subject the definition of the preposition but specifies the existence of the subject, the object, things that are not supposed to be. From now on, we will study about the coordinating conjunction but and the conjunctive adverb however. There is a conference with the coordinating conjunction but. It is hard to confront a weak point, but the weak point provides us an opportunity to get healed in Jesus Christ. The speaker links the two coordinate clauses with the coordinating conjunction but to reveal the relationship that the two conditions described by the be verb is and the transitive verb provides in the two coordinate clauses are opposite. The pronoun it replaces the subject to confront a weak point. And the second coordinate clause is constituted with the fourth type of clause. The indirect objects, us, are conveyed the direct object, an opportunity to get healed in Jesus Christ. From the subject, the weak point. The coordinating conjunction but is a constituent of a sentence because the coordinating conjunction but practices the role to link the coordinate clauses in the sentence but does not practice a role in each clause. The punctuation mark comma reveals that the first coordinate clause is stated. The coordinating conjunction but reveals the conditions described by each clause are in the opposite relationship. The second conference with the conjunctive adverb however is this. It is hard to confront a weak point. However, the weak point provides us an opportunity to get healed in Jesus Christ. The two clauses are separately stated, and the conjunctive adverb however reveals that a new clause will be stated in the context that is the opposite from the condition stated in the previous clause. The speaker applies the conjunctive adverb however to specify the definition of the transitive verb provides. The conjunctive adverb however has the trait as an adverb to specify the definition of the transitive verb provides. The conjunctive adverb however reveals that the condition of the subject described by the transitive verb provides is the opposite of the context from the previous clause.